This wood is covered in ice and is soaking wet. It's gonna be really hard to light, so I'm splitting it in the hopes that it'll burn a little bit better. Well, the fire's barely going and it's heating up quite nicely in here, making my pants steam. That's why everyone calls me Hot Pants. All this wood is wet and cold, so we're gonna put it around the stove to dry it out before we throw it in. I brought a little luxury item here. You can really feel the temperature difference out here.